I'm C. Alejandro, your new science weather reporter. Here's the review today. Weather report. March 23, 2025. The sun is shining in Luzon and the temperature is 38 degrees. The northeast monsoon is warming down. Pag-asa advised that the warm and dry season is coming soon. On Monday, March 24, 2025, stay hydrated everyone as the heat index in Visayas is getting high, especially summer season. Pag-asa advised Filipinos to take precaution during periods of high heat index, especially when it reaches danger 42 degrees or extreme danger 45 degrees and above levels to heat related illness like heat cramp, exhaustion, and stroke. We have breaking news. Our correspondent, my twin brother, are last on ongoing weather update in Mindanao. It's been raining all day long here in Mindanao. Arkin, everyone is here already safe, especially those areas with flood. We warn everybody to please evacuate, and the government officials distributed relief goods. Expect this typhoon will last 24 hours. This is Alas Kunanan reporting from Mindanao. Back to you, Arkin. That is for today. This is Arkin Adam Alejandro. Thank you for watching.